welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. So basically these days, once I wake up from sleep, the only place I get to clean or I get to arrange is my bedroom, because before Dede will go to school, she'll clean the sitting room, kitchen, her room and corridors. So once I just wake up, I just do my room, except the days that she is not, like probably she wake up late, and I don't know, she's trying to wake up more early these days. Sometimes by 4 o'clock you see that she's already up, because I told her that I'll not be making her I'll not be making her lunch pack again to school. If she like, let her make the lunch pack. If she likes, let her leave it. It's none of my business, okay? Because I noticed that when I was doing it for her, I was always making her lunch pack for her. She will sleep till Omo, I was like, no. I need to put her up and doing, because if definitely she start having siblings, now who will be doing all of those ones? Is it me? She will definitely be the one to be doing it. So she have to be waking up early. So most of the time she tell me that she set alarm to wake up early with her phone. So once she wakes up, she just clean all these places that she needs to clean, except for my own room, because she will not come to my own room to wake me up, okay? So once I wake up, I'll just do my room and then have my breakfast as well. So what she also do most of the times is, when anything she's preparing for her lunch, she will also keep some for me for breakfast, okay? So she took spaghetti to school today, and I also had spaghetti as breakfast. And I think it's even more easy, because once I eat like this safe, I'll not have strength to like start running up and down looking for something to prepare again and the rest of that till when I want to make like dinner, okay? Because most of the times when she come back, if I tell her go and have lunch, she will tell me that she's okay, that she's not hungry. So, and I understand the fact that she it's because of the food that she usually carries to school. So anyways, this morning, I think I'm ranting too much, but sorry guys. This morning I'll be going out. I want to go and see one of my girlfriend. I've seen her before. She have a new development. She was like, "Oh, come and see my new house. Come and see my new room." Blah blah stuff like that. I was like, "Okay, who am I?" So I want to go and see her. Then we also have one or two things that she needed to do for me to also update in one of my apps like that. So let me get into doing all of that preparation, and I'll see you guys. I don't think I'll be carrying you guys in the vlog, because if I decide to carry you guys in all my preparation vlog, I will go late. But I might do a preparation vlog in my shorts. What I do these days is, whenever I'm filming, I film for my short videos and then I film for YouTube videos, because most of the short videos I take them to my Facebook page as well. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. Let me get to doing all of that for now. I need to shut this window.
The love of money is the root of every evil. People want to gain the world. What does it profit a man to?
Hi guys, I'm all dressed up and I want to go out now. See, as I'm sweating like Christmas goats. But anyways, I know that this thing will shall dry off, and yeah, I think my face is resurrecting gradually. I just pray my face is able to resurrect fully, okay? Anyways, most of the products I use here is from Precious Luxury Beauty Zone. So Precious Luxury Beauty Zone, there was one stuff that I posted for you guys. Let me show you guys her product. So this is her body lotion, okay? Let's continue this. You guys don't know her, she based in Ilori and she deals on all products concerning your skincare. She sent us this product all the way from Ilori, face soap. I think I'll be attaching a clip of the video where I went to get it, when I went to get it from the pack. So I'll proudly say this video is proudly sponsored by Precious Luxury Beauty Zone. If you're looking for any skincare products that you want to get, good skincare products that can actually resurrect your face, resurrect your skin, resurrect your body, you can try her out. You can check most of my videos that I've been uploading. My face have been really rough recently, but it's resurrecting gradually. And this is me using this product not even up to 2 weeks, and you guys can see. Anyways, The video I'll be attaching, you guys should check it out. I'll leave every details that you need to know in the description box. Please go and patronize Precious Luxury Beauty Zone and thank me later. I'm all dressed up and I'm ready to go out like I've earlier said. I'll see you guys when I get to my friend's place or when I'll be able to do any 1 or 2 clip or vlogs. I'll also show you guys, okay? So yeah, let's start going. Let's leave this fan and start going. So hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So guys, this is me basically just rounding up this vlog. Okay, let me just mute myself. I'm on TikTok. Let me mute my co-hosts. Okay, so I'm on TikTok. I'm actually doing my TikTok live stream. um this vlog has been days past, and I decided to just do this ending up so that I can just add it up to the clip, because obviously I don't want my videos these days to be too long. And I don't know if the video is interesting. Let me know in the comment section. How is my editing skills? So you guys should also let me know in the comment section. I'll really love to know. For the completion of that video, I think I posted a video like that before. I don't even know how to explain you guys, but you guys should let me know what you think about this video, so I will not start chewing my mouth. Thank you so much for the like, Messi. I appreciate. Thank you. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm on TikTok live stream already. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.